A brief history of Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition 11G. Oracle Corporation had previously ingrown business intelligence tools such as Oracle Discoverer and Oracle Reports. The acquisition of CBO CRM Systems Inc. presented Oracle with an opportunity to update their business intelligence platform through another lesser-known product, CBO Analytics. The Analytics platform met many of Oracle's requirements for a next-generation business intelligence platform, in that it could access data from many different data sources, had a metadata layer, semantic model, very user-friendly dashboards and reporting tools. Oracle announced in 2005 that it had acquired CBO CRM Systems, and what was now known as CBO Analytics would be called Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition. CBO Analytics was itself developed outside of CBO CRM Systems and was in fact originally developed by a technology startup called Enquire. Enquire released the Enquire Server, the predecessor to what eventually became the Oracle Business Intelligence Server back in the 1990s. Enquire was itself acquired by CBO CRM Systems Inc. in October of 2001, and it developed the product further and licensed data models and data extraction routines from Informatica Corporation. While OBIEE may appear to be fairly new compared to other business intelligence platforms, its roots can be traced back to groundbreaking work done by Enquire team back in the mid-1990s. Oracle product release history. There have been several business intelligence products released by Oracle Corporation over the years. What was CBO Analytics, renamed Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition, while CBO Business Analytics was renamed Oracle BI Applications. Here's a summary of the Oracle Business Intelligence release by history. Here's a summary of the Oracle Business Intelligence release history. Oracle Business Intelligence version 10.1.3.2. Thereafter, there was a version 10.1.1.3.x. Thereafter, there was version 10.1.1.3.4.x, which was generally known to the public as OBIEE 10G. Then Oracle released a further and more stable and well-automated version 11.1.1.3 and 11.1.1.5, then version 11.1.1.6, and then version 11.1.1.7.0, and finally version 11.1.1.9.0, which was also known as OBIEE 11G. And then Oracle recently, that is October 24th or 25th of 2015, they released a new version 12.2.1.0.0, which is now known as OBIEE 12C.